Welcome! Today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch into a HUAWEI P50 Pro. First of all, open your settings and then scroll down and find accessibility features. Then choose shortcuts and gestures, and here we got Ultra Snapshot. And now need choose your option from the list, maybe open camera or off, maybe open camera. And let's try. Double press to volume button to open our camera. And now camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.